create a quiz creator. So first, find the icon of Wondershare quiz creator, or in short quiz creator. So double click that, then click yes. So here are the options, or a show of create Wondershare quiz creator. So we should have to create a new quiz. So click create a new quiz, then wait. So this is the working area of the quiz creator. So you may choose whatever you want in your type of your quiz creator or your quiz. So it's either true or false, multiple choice, multiple response, fill in the blank, matching, sequence, word bag, click map, short essay, and blank page. So you should have to click question. So in order to create a question, of course. So click, then here is it appears this kind of show. Then you may choose true or false, multiple choice, multiple response, and so on. So for we will have to choose multiple choice. So click multiple choice and then okay. So this is now the working area of a multiple choice type of quiz. So first, enter the question that you wanted to ask to your learners. So we will just have to put number 1 for the first question. For example, what is your name? So after typing the or answering the question, try to select the choices or try to put or input the correct or the possible answer that in your based on the question that you've entered. So enter the choices. So for letter A, example is barangay, barangay captain, barangay captain, for example. Then letter B, Jose Malali, Malit. Then letter C, um, Basak. Then letter D, let's have to feedback, for example. Then after you've entered the choices, try to select what's the correct answer based on your question. So for based on the question number 1 is the answer is the correct answer is letter E, which is si Malalo. Then after you entering the correct or the possible answers or choices based on your question, try to put your that feedback and point. So for the correct, we have correct or corresponding points. We have in number 1, in item 1, we try to put it with a corresponding point of 1 point. So click OK after administering your first question. So that it appears on the working area of your quiz creator. So if you want or if you wish to add another question, just right click, then add question, which is a multiple choice also because nagamit makag multiple choice. So number 2 question, where do you live? So after the same process, after you entered your question, then try to enter again the choice set. Where do you live? So for example, letter A is I live in me. Letter B, I live in on C, Magdalena. Letter D, iron. So try to select the correct answer based on your question. So the correct answer in this question, where do you live, is I live in Loan, Bohol. So try to click that correct choice set, and then after, as I said, in the same process, which is you should have to set the feedback or points or the corresponding point of your question. So then after all, click OK. So again, you have a two items of your quiz. So again, if you wish to add it another, then the same process. Try to click add question, then go to multiple choice. Then answer again the question. Number 3. How young are you? So next is enter the choices. I'm 5 years old. And I am okay. And I am a boy. Then let's see. Loon. So again, try to choose the correct answer based on your question. So I'm 5 years old. So click that I'm 5 years old answer. Then try to put a corresponding point. So for that correct answer, you give a 1 point. So click OK. And then the same process. Add question, multiple choice. Then wait. Then fourth question, we have um, who are you? Who are you? Then the choices, who are you? I'm fine, thank you. Then the second one, I'm your friend. And C, I am in Calate. And then letter D, in you. So try to put a corresponding point again in a correct answer, then click OK. Please specify the correct answer. So based on that, who are you? Then you have to choose the correct answer. Then click OK. So we have 4 items. Then last, we have to take another. So the fifth one, where are you? Then again, the choices. I'm in Bohol. Then I'm fine, thank you. And then you. And then I'm here in Calate. So again, choose the correct answer, then the corresponding point, then click. So after you answering the question as well as the type of your quiz, then try to go to quiz properties. So click quiz properties, then so it appears like this. So the quiz information, so quiz title, right? The title of your quiz. So for example, second periodical test in English, English thing, and then click OK. So click OK. Then again, click with property. So there are many options, just like quiz information, quiz settings, quiz result, quiz question settings, and others. So we'll try to go with quiz settings. Click quiz settings, then the percentage of your um quiz. So how many percent, the percentage rate of your quiz. So let's try to put 75%. So imanura na 75%. And if you want to limit or put time limit, then you can. Then if you wish to randomize your quiz, then you can because it is computer based. Then you want to you just have to click random, or if you want to random, then click OK. Then again you just have to click again the quiz properties, then quiz result again. So we're done with the quiz information, quiz settings as well. So now let's go move on for the quiz result. So here it appears like this, the quiz result. So feedback according to the result. So when user passes, it's gonna it appears like this. Congratulations, you passed. Then if the user failed to perform the quiz, then appears like this, failed or you failed. Then if you want to change it, then you can. It depends upon your decision. So you may put like this picture, or you will insert this picture or a text. Then it's something to or the same with a if the user failed. Then click OK. Then at the check balik quiz properties and question setting. So based on this question setting, so in positive points we entered 1 point. Then font properties, so okay, then click OK. So after you've gone to the quiz properties, then you want so after all published all the questions or all the um, quiz that you want. Publish, click publish. And then we try to publish to this in the web. So click web. And then the quiz title, which is the second vertical test in English 3. And then publish that in web. Send results to the specified email address. So okay na. Then the location or in a desktop, so to make it easy. So try to click publish. So wait. Then your quiz creator has been published. So that's the importance, or that is the way on how to create a quiz creator. No man nakaday. Hali dirot.
So
Ikang giibot ang
we are now done discussing the on how to make a quiz through the Wondershare Quiz Creator. So we are going now at this moment we are going to discuss on how to link your quiz into your Weebly account. So first you are going to open your Weebly account, so it is already open. Then after that you are going to make a page. So click add page, then standard page, then write the page name, which is second periodical test, second periodical test. Then after that you are going to save and edit. So after you are already made your page, go to your page. So you are going to to save in your page, the save and edit page. Uh, Second, go to your page, second periodical test. Second periodical test. So after you open the page which is the second periodical test, go to the element. So we are going to get the element flash and we are going to drag it. So drag the element flash to your page which is the second periodical test. Then after you drag the flash in your second periodical test, upload. Upload new file. Upload a SWS file from your computer. So you made a quiz while ago, you will find it. So you save it in your desktop. So click the second periodical test in English room. Open. So while waiting uploading the file, so that is how you are going to link your quiz into your review. So while waiting first. So after you upload the file, you are going to publish it. So let's wait while the quiz you have made is uploading. So after you upload the file, you are going to publish. So you are still uploading the file. So the file is now upload. The file have already completely upload. So let's now publish. So after you publish, you are going to go onto your website account and you are and click your website account. Then in your website you are going to find the page you have made. So it is still in the process of loading. So that is how you are going to link your quiz into your Weebly account. So it's so your website is now already open. So click the page you had made the second periodical test. So it is still. So here we are. So this is now the quiz you have made. This is now the quiz you have made. So let's wait while it is loading. So here is the quiz we have made. So if you are going to plan to take the test, you are going to write the first name, last name. So the quiz you have made it already linking in your Weebly. So that is all about on how to make a quiz to a Wondershare quiz creator and how you are going to link it to your Weebly account. So thank you for listening and God bless you all.